What's up, guys? This is Coach Sheridite once again, Master Blue Peep. Right. If this is your very first time of coming across my page, right, I'll admonish you like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I'll be dropping videos, all right, you'll be the first person to be notified. In as much we're trying to be profitable in the market, it's also good to acquaint yourself with strategy that will help you boost your profit in the market. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you why and how I was able to cash the entry you are seeing on my screen. Now this is Flip X3. All right, this is a synthetic indices that you can trade 24 hours or 24/7 in a day. There is no news, there is not affected by any, how will I call it, it's not affected by any fundamental, right? So it's just technical. Now this it's synthetic, and just like synthetic, it implies it's complex, right? So it's copy the real movement of the real market. So how was I able to catch the entry you're seeing on my screen, right? So now, as you can see, this guy has been pushing down, so we're actually expecting a pullback phase, right? And price is currently pushing up. So now I'm going to my 2-hour time frame, right? So I was able to trade with the CRT model. Any strategy you are trading, this SMC, ICT, Wildcard, Elliott Wave, and lights of them, right? To mention but a few, right? You can just know that you are trading the candle range theory unknowingly or unconsciously or consciously, I don't know. So now, as you can see, we can see that this guy has been breaking structure upward. We have this guy breaking structure here and breaking structure up here. So we have the impulsive, then there was a pullback, right? And we had the impulsive, and there was a pullback here, right? So at this point I was able to have my candle range high and low on the 2-hour time frame, which is my higher time frame. So I'm gonna pull my Fibonacci 2, right? I'm gonna pull my Fibonacci 2 right away. So pulling my Fibonacci 2, right, from the CRT high to the CRT low. So what do we, after price broke structure, there was a break of structure and price pulled back. Let's see. So if you are to ask the question, what is PDRA? PDRA simply means the premium and the discount area where you can actually take trade. So if you can see from this side, you can note that this guy actually tap into the discount zone after crossing our 50%. Yes, oh sorry, here's our 50% here, right? So price tap to the discount zone. So, and we now have our candle range high and our candle range low. So we can thereafter go to the lower time frame. Let me go to the 1-hour time frame, right? So that was our CRTI. I'm coming, please. So on the 1-hour time frame, what do we have? We have the candle range high, then the candle range low. So we expect either the total body soup or the total wick soup, right, for price to grab some liquidity. So, and what do we have here on the 1-hour time frame, or possibly, let me go to, we can see price tap to an order block, right? We have another block, we have an array over there. And how do you identify your order block? Like if you're in my teaching, I always tell you, when you have a long wick, you should mark that as your order block, right? So okay, let me use the 30 minutes. All right, on the 30 minute, can you see? Because you marking your wick as the order block I'm trying to clarify that, because if you streamline to a more lower time frame, you can see that there's another block there, and that was why price actually tapped to this other block. So how do you now cash your entry? My entry was on the 5 minutes or 15-minute time frame, having my CRT high and the candle range low, and I have my 50%, which I already marked already. I can change the color to green. Okay, let me use this green, all right, to identify my 50%. So on 15 minutes, you can see that there was a turtle soup. And what entry model do you call this? This guy here, what do you call this? Some will call it the morning, or sorry, the evening star thereabout. So we have the bearish candle, the doji, then we now have the bullish candle, right? So it's very much significant in your entry model. So for me to cash my sniper entry, most times I go to 5-minute time frame. So on the 5-minute time frame, so let me delete this guy here. On the 5-minute time frame, then I have this other block here. So here's my other block. I have my other block then here, because we have a change in state of delivery at this point in time. Then you can set up your limits at this area, your SL at this area, right below the other block, then your TP either on the 50% here of the candle range theory, then or you take your take profit will now be on the CRTI to give you the 100%. So let me place this. Yeah, I'm just trying to show you why I actually take that trade, right? So let's go back to the 2-hour time frame. So on the 2-hour time frame, what do you see here? So as you can see, look at, there was turtle soup already, and price was able to, you were able to cash a trade, right, from the 5-minute time frame from the other block that I showed, right? Then your TP will be the candle range high, right? Entry below this CRT low after the turtle soup, then your take profits, then you can actually take your first take profits will be the 50%, then your second take profits will be the 100% of the candle range high. Now this black candle here, this bearish candle was my candle range. What do I have here? As you can see, it was a nice trade there. So let me go to 15 minutes to show you something, right, so that you can see the history of the trade. So let me delete this guy. So settings, delete my Fibonacci 2. So we have, okay, click my setting, then trade history. Can you see now? I was able to cash up the trade from this point to this point, and that is why you saw the profits on my screen. So if you want my mentorship, one-on-one mentorship, you can hit me on WhatsApp or possibly on my DM on Telegram, link below the screen or my bio, so that you can learn how to cash up this entry by yourself. All right, I teach you how to make bread. At some point I can feed you with mine, but you won't be satisfied. All right, so do yourself a favor to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I'll be dropping such video, you'll be the first person to be notified. All right, shalom guys.